In this video, I'll show you how to add more authentication providers in Salesforce so users can sign in using trusted third-party identities while improving convenience and security. Start by clicking the gear icon in the top right and opening Setup or Advanced Setup to enter the admin area where configuration tools are located. Use the quick find search box on the left and type authentication providers, then open the page that lists all existing providers so you can review what is already active. Click New to create another connection and choose the provider type such as OpenID Connect, SAML, or a supported social login, then carefully enter the required details like client IDs, secrets, endpoints, or certificates based on your identity provider's documentation. Pay close attention to user mapping and naming options so accounts link correctly and avoid login issues. After saving, Salesforce generates callback URLs and reference data you can share with the provider to complete setup securely. Subscribe for clear beginner tech tutorials and honest walkthrough videos every week.